lavender necklace, a microchip necklace, a leaf clutch, and nano eyeshadow. Watch our new video about how nature and technology girls became roommates. Ashley loves nature. This orchid is wonderful. I'll put it in my wreath. Or decorate my dress with it. Green friends, how are you doing? So, where did we leave off? Who's here? Oh no! It's my landlord! Ashley, have you seen the calendar? Time to pay rent! Oh, of course! Hang on! Here, that's probably enough. What is this salad? If you don't give me my money in a week, I'll kick you out! What do I do now? I know! I have a couch! I'll take a pic. And post an ad. I need a roommate for this amazing apartment. Hello! Welcome to my wonderful home! What? Hi! Meet my pet! It's very tidy! Oh, I see. Here, I have the rent money. You can add your part. Sure, here. But that's not enough. It's not even enough for a week. I have a great idea. We can earn some money on TikTok. I'll film, and you just repeat after me. I'll put the beanbag over here. Watch! Drop your phone like this. I think I'm gonna go. Hang on! Hold the phone and do what I do. Go! Fine. But I don't like this case at all. This is much better. Cover a picture of a monstera leaf with parchment paper. Coat it with Vaseline. Fill the picture in with colored hot glue. Fasten the ready leaf to a silicone phone case. Coat it with acrylic paint. Apply a design so it looks like a real leaf. This case will make our video be so popular! Look, our TikTok turned out great! Whoa! So many views! We're gonna be rich and famous! Can't wait! Ashley, let's order food! Delivery, so we don't get distracted! Definitely! What would you like? The usual! Okay, I'll have 2 bananas! Food's here! Here's your order! What's this? A crate of bananas? Sign here! So that's 2 bananas? We'll have to give all our money! I accidentally ordered 222 bananas! At least your portable battery is super fresh! Don't be mad! Here's a little present! A banana leaf clutch! Make a clutch bag cutout from foam paper. Stretch out the edges of some pieces. Glue the front to the base. Make holes on the sides. Join them with a foam paper cord. Decorate the edge of the front piece the same way. Hot glue the end of the cord. Attach the top of the handbag. Add a foam paper strip as a fastener. Apply a leaf pattern with acrylic paint. Add a fastener piece. Alright, it's actually really nice. And I can keep a portable battery in it. Thanks! You're welcome! And these bananas will last a long time. Ashley decided to make some money modeling. Are you ready? We're shooting an accessory commercial. There you go. Great! Smile! Nice! No, this necklace doesn't work. It's pointless. Don't go! Hang on! Nature magic, don't let me down! I have another necklace! A much better one! Roll out a thin layer of polymer clay on parchment paper. Cut out a lily of the valley leaf. Score texture with a wire. Make a few different leaves. Shape 2 bundles. Fasten them on a wire necklace base. Bake following the clay package instructions. Thread a bead on a thin wire. Twist the wire. Shape a lily of the valley. Glue it into the leaf bundle. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's perfect! Wonderful! Brilliant! Nancy, help me pick an outfit. It's my first day at work tomorrow. Let's see. A formal outfit or a romantic one? No! What about this one? Not bad. Let's try it on. This is good. And I like this outfit too. The dress is too short. But this is perfect. Oh yeah! I look like a watermelon, and I love watermelons. And now I can sleep. I just need to set my alarm. It's morning! Whoa! Ashley, wake up! You overslept! The alarm didn't go off! Oh no! What time is it? What? A message from my boss? I'm fired? No need to rush. I'm starving! Oh man! The fridge is empty! I have to go to a store! But it's dark and scary outside! Nancy, what do I do? I'm scared to go to the store in the dark, but I really want to eat! Don't worry, I can help you from here! Wow, Nancy! This glowing coat is so cool! Attach foil hexagons to a silicone raincoat. Cover the sleeves. Attach an LED strip along the seams. Give the strip a battery. No, I'm not afraid of the dark! What time is it? It's only 1 a.m. I can be online for 10 more minutes. What? It's 4:30 already? How is that possible? I need to sleep. Is it morning already? Oh, short circuit. Time to go to work. Another power failure. It must be sleep deprivation. That's not very nice. It's worse than the hiccups. Oh, another one. Nancy, what's wrong with you? You need a reboot. There's a tried and true product. It'll help you. Put on this helmet. Relax and breathe deeply. And flowers will help you calm down and be in harmony. Feeling better, right? Thank you, Ashley! Nancy is trying to make money giving computer classes. Let's start the class. I'll teach you computer basics. It's really easy. You'll see. Press here and here. Create your account. Now we're gonna make a login and a password. It's not hard. What? I don't get it. What does it want from me? Stupid machine! It's torturing me! Here, take this. Lady, calm down. Don't worry. Here, I have a little something for you. It's an accessory. Attach old microchips to sticker foam paper. Cut out along the outline. Put a jump ring in the hole. Hang the microchips on a necklace base. Interchange them with colorful springs. hope this necklace will make you happy, and you learn how to use technology. Oh, beautiful! I understand perfectly. Enter the password here, and it's working. It must be magic. Here, sweetheart. You deserve it. And that's it? Teaching doesn't pay well. Ashley got a job as a makeup apprentice. Oh, the eyeshadow cracked. I won't get this job. No big deal. Here's the latest nano eyeshadow. Thanks, you saved me. This is wonderful. Cover the bottom part of an eyeshadow palette with double-sided tape. Crumple foil. Attach it to the palette. Shade with acrylic paint. Attach a sticker to the palette that says Techno Beauty. I'm gonna do some nano makeup for us. There's nothing that can remove this nano makeup. Nothing is working. You're fired. Oh no, not again. We have to come up with a new way to make money. We definitely will. Where is the smoke coming from? Something's on fire! It's the landlord's apartment! Run! Help! Save me! My microwave blew up! No big deal. I'll fix it. Make tucks on a strip of pleather. Sew them through. Fold the strip in half. Sew the edge. Add straps. Make a pocket out of a little pleather piece. Use a plug as a fastener. Make a few different pockets. Pass wire through the belt. Fasten the pockets. My super belt has never let me down! Here it is! The microwave is as good as new! Thanks! You saved me! Since we helped you, can you accept the leaves for rent? Sure! That's enough! Thank you! See you in a month! Did you like our video? Then comment below who you liked the most! Nature Girl or Technology Girl? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up! Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious videos from Troom.